Yes. So, good evening to everyone. Welcome to VEDA NEET Academy online sessions. I am here, your chemistry faculty. My name is Chandrasekhar. So, yes, let us discuss today. We are going to discuss the highly weighted chapters for chemistry 2027. So, these are the analysis where we have done for 2020 to 2026. From 2020 land 2026 వరకు we have analyzed the questions. What are the highly weighted topics? What are the highly weighted chapters for upcoming NEET 2027? So this is the chemistry overall overview. Okay now. So let me change the theme, right? Yeah. So we are having 21 chapters. In that 21 chapters, highly weighted 15 chapters and medium are 5 chapters. So we will cover the physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry separately, right? Okay. So what are the top chapters we have to be very focused for NEET 2027? What are the top chapters we have to focus for NEET 2027? So for physical chemistry, equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, thermodynamics, thermochemistry, thermodynamics. Okay, solutions, electrochemistry. Okay, now these are the physical chemistry top chapters. Next, inorganic chemistry, we have to be very focused on chemical bonding. Very important. Chemical bonding, very important. Very highly weighted chapter. Okay, na? Right? Chemical bonding. Next, coordination chemistry. See, inorganic chemistry, maximum, if you read the NCRT for inorganic chemistry, if you read the NCRT, definitely you will get the good marks. NCERT, if you read the NCERT, definitely we will get a good marks in inorganic chemistry. There is no logics, no magics, direct questions. Okay, na? So organic chemistry we have to be focused on, as we know, all we know that general organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Okay, na? And the most valued chapters easily, and you can achieve mark easily. What structure of atom and chemical kinetics? These are the chapters. Definitely, we have to be focused on. Okay, na? Definitely, if you focus on these particular chapters, we are mentioning here, definitely you are able to achieve. You can able to do around 15 questions minimum. 15 questions minimum. How many ma? 15 questions minimum. Okay na? Maximum you can do around 22 questions maximum. Maximum you can do 22 questions easily. So our target is, if by focusing on these chapters, only on these chapters, definitely you will get 80 to 90 marks easily. Okay na? So what is our preparation priority? How we have to be prepared? Okay na? Definitely for physical chemistry, we have to learn the physical chemistry from fundamentals, from basics. What are the formulas we are having? What are the formulas? We have to prepare the formula sheets, mind maps, mind maps. We have to be thorough with them. Inorganic chemistry, I told you, no, highly what rewarding. That means if you read, you can do. For inorganic chemistry, if you read the concept, you can do the question. That is the inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, NCERT again. NCERT again. I'm telling you the same thing. NCERT is a highly weighted topic. So, and organic chemistry and general organic chemistry thoroughly revised. More revisions. Revision should be more. More revisions. நல்ல revision இருக்கணும். Okay na? So this is the next. Now we are going to take the chemistry chapter wise trend timetable. Okay na? So chapter wise. So this is how the chapter wise they given. We have segregate the weightage. Some basic concepts of chemistry. Mole concept, as you know, no. 2020. How many? One question. 2021. Two questions. So if you see the question count for every year, average, what is the average, Amma? Our average is 2 questions from this chapter. So that means weightage is, what is the weightage of this lesson, ma? Very high, very high. Okay, na? Right? Next, if we see the structure of atom, see the structure of atom, ma? Every year, 20 from 2020 onwards, 2026 re-NEET. This is re-NEET, ma. 2026 re-NEET. Okay, na? In the so whenever we have seen this weightage, this one also average is 2 questions. Average is 2 questions. So next, thermodynamics, your favorite chapter, right? So here, no need to think about this chapter. Every year, if you see every year count, 2026 June 1st NEET lo, they have given 3 questions. So, so every year minimum 2 questions is it. Minimum here from this chapter minimum 2 questions confirm. 2 questions confirm. 2 ke mele kume, right? Then equilibrium means ionic, both ionic and chemical. Okay na? So what is the average, ma? 2 3 2 2 2 2 3 haranga evlo high weightage. Here the average is what, ma? Here what is the average, ra? 2 questions to 3 questions, very highly weighted, and easily you can do this chapter questions. Okay, na? Next, redox reactions. 1 question minimum, 1 question minimum, maximum. So here the average is 1 question. Average is 1 question. Okay, na? So next, solutions. Paranga, as I told you, previously, solutions every year they are continuously asking minimum 2, maximum 3 from one chapter, like thermodynamics. So from this chapter, what is the average, ma? What is the average? 2 questions to 3 questions. Highly weightage, physical chemistry. Next, electrochemistry. Every year they're asking. See here, up to 2023 they have given 2 questions average, but after 20 from 2024 onwards they have given 3 questions per year. 3 questions per year. In re-NEET also they have given 2 questions. That means this one also highly weighted. Average is what? Average is 2 to 3 questions average. And electrochemistry, if you focus on what for electrochemistry, if you focus the formulas, definitely you can able to do. In formula nalla focus பண்ணாலே போதும். Okay, na? Right? Next, chemical kinetics. What is the average, ma? Chemical kinetics average is what? How many? 2 questions. So if we add all these questions, what is the total, ma? 2, 4, 6, 10, 13, 15, 17 questions. 17 questions in re-NEET 2026. 17 questions in re-NEET 2026 from 17 questions from physical chemistry. From physical chemistry. Okay, na? I think by seeing these averages, you can think which chapters you are very strong in, which chapters you have to very focus on. Please have a look here clearly. 1 minute before changing my slide. Please have a look this all these things. Okay, na? Right? Okay. I think you have seen this very clearly. Can I go for the next slide, ma? Yes. Okay. Next, chapter wise, part 2 for chemistry. What is this? Here we have mentioned inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Okay, na? Inorganic. Inorganic chemistry, easily you can focus and you can get the mark from inorganic chemistry. From which chapter, ma? Coordination compounds, chemical bonding. Coordination compounds, chemical bonding. Well, if you focus on these chapters, definitely you can get it. What is the average of the chemical bonding, ra? See here, 4 questions, 3 questions. Appa, very highly weighted, no? Correct? Yes, very high weightage. Very high weightage in this chapter. Very important. And easily you can get mark. What is the average? 4 questions to 5 questions average. Ah, in chemistry, the highly weighted chapter. In chemistry, chemical bonding, highly, highly weighted, weighted chapter in chemistry. Please remember, and easily you can do this chapter. Okay, na? From classification of elements, minimum one question. Average is, what is the average of this chapter? Average is what? 2 questions average. Or 1 question to 2 questions. 1 question to 2 questions average. Okay, na? From P block. P block na 11th, 12th. What? 13th group landu, 13th group landu, 13th group to 18th group. So how many chapters we are having here? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 6 chapters, including of these 6 chapters, they are giving only. So average is what? 3 chapters. This is also okay. Inorganic chemistry lo kandipa nalla focus panam, because see, there is no logic. Inorganic chemistry means what? No logic, no magic. No logic, no magic, nothing. Direct questions. Direct questions. Direct, direct from NCERT. Again, I'm mentioning NCERT. Okay, now, right? Next, D and F block. Every year they have giving the average of what? Here, classification of elements. P block average is what? Ma? P block average is what? 3 questions to 4 questions. Here, under D and F block, average is 3 questions. Okay, na? And coordination compound, excellent chapter. One of the finest chapter. Excellent chapter. Excellent chapter. Coordination compounds. Excellent chapter. The what is the average of this coordination compounds, ma? Minimum average is what? Average is 4 questions. 4 questions. So from inorganic chemistry, what is the average? What is the average questions of from inorganic chemistry? 2, 4, 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 14. 14 questions to 15 questions from inorganic chemistry. From inorganic chemistry. So this is the chapter weightage from inorganic chemistry. Okay, na? Please focus on these chapters, ma. Right? Okay, na? So this is how very important. Very important this one. Okay, na? So now we are going to next slide. Organic chemistry, which is very favorable to you, right? So right. So organic chemistry, what are the chapters we are having? General organic chemistry, hydrocarbons. In these hydrocarbons, alkane, alkene, alkyne, benzene, right? These all are come under hydrocarbons only. Haloalkenes, haloarenes, alcohols, phenols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, amines, biomolecules. And from practical chemistry, rarely they are giving the questions from 1 or 2. Rarely. Average is from 0 to 1. Okay, na? So we are heavily focused, should be focused on general organic chemistry. What is the average here from general organic chemistry? What is the general organic chemistry average, ma? 4 questions. Excellent topic. Excellent topic. Super topic. Definitely we have to be very focused. And hydrocarbons average is 2 to 3. Maximum 3 questions rare. Maximum you can focus from hydrocarbons 2 questions minimum. 3 questions maximum. Okay na? So from alkanes haloarenes, so the medium range see, recently only they are giving two questions. Previously they have given the only one chapter only from the one question only from this topic. So here the average is one question to two questions. Okay na? One question to two questions. Right? Okay. So and the next high weightage chapter is what? Aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid. Before going to that, I want to discuss you which chapter ma? Alcohols, phenols, ethers. Alcohols, phenols, ethers. How many chapters? What is the average? What is the average ma? Alcohols, phenols, ethers. What is the average ma? Two questions. Minimum two questions from alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Right. Next, aldehydes. The highly weighted topic. High, highly weightage lesson from organic chemistry. Organic chemistry la highly weightage lesson. Aldehydes, ketones. The average is minimum average is three questions. Okay na? Right? So amines. So amines, yes, they are giving continuously two questions. Recently only they are giving. So you can focus and easily, very small chapter, you can easily focus on this chapter and you can get the good marks. Right? Here the average is two questions. And biomolecules. So biomolecules one question only. So average here the average is one question. If you read this organic chemistry, physical chemistry, and inorganic chemistry according to your this weightage, easily I'm promising you, you can get easily 150 marks, 150 plus easily from chemistry. Easily you can get. Okay na? So and from practical chemistry, recently only they are giving one question, at least minimum one question from practical chemistry. Like redox reactions also we have seen one question from redox reaction. So this is what is the weightage of this whole organic chemistry ma? 4, 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 14, 16, 17, 18. 18 questions. 18 questions from organic chemistry. From organic chemistry. Okay, na? From organic chemistry. 18 questions. So this is how they have segregated maximum. If you observe carefully, from physical chemistry 17 average, from inorganic chemistry 14 average, from organic chemistry 18 average. So they are giving the overall weightage of all these three chapters. I mean three physical and inorganic and organic. They are maintaining equal weightage only. But in that you have to focus on which chapter you have to be prepared, which chapter you have to be much focused. You know, this is very, 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 very important. So this is how we did analysis. So next, right? Yes. So my point is what? Practice smart, practice smart, score higher. No need to learn all the chapters. No need to learn all. நீங்க ஸ்மார்ட்டா practice பண்ணணும். Smart marks you have to get. Okay na? This is how we will definitely we will improve your marks. Your to improve your marks is our primary responsibility. Okay na? So all the very best ma. All the very best for your all the very best. All the very best for your NEET 2027. Okay na? NEET 2027 from VEDA NEET Academy. Right? Thank you so much.